Welcome to Silent Circle Training. This video series will walk you through BlackPhone 2 and its operating system, Silent OS 3. Part 3 of this series will cover space settings and app settings. Space settings can be accessed from the Security Center. From the current space setting, you are able to modify space level settings and app level settings. Space level settings apply to individual spaces. To access these settings, tap on the space icon in the middle. Please note that the options we are describing might be different depending on the space you're in. The owner space is the master space and includes all of the possible options in this section. We will describe the interface for the owner space. Customize space allows you to change the name, color, and avatar assigned to your space to help you to differentiate between spaces easily. You can upload a custom avatar by clicking on the cloud icon and selecting a photo. Before exiting, you must save your changes. Screen lock allows you to decide what degree of protection you want in each space. If you currently have a screen lock, you will be asked to enter it before changing to a new screen lock. You can choose between none, swipe, pattern, pin, or password to change your screen lock. Privacy level allows you to define how apps access the device and accounts information. The default level is the normal behavior defined once you install an app. Deny all denies all app permissions, and allow all allows all permissions without questioning. Activating Randomized Pin Pad randomizes the pin pad so the numbers will be in a different position each time you need to enter your PIN to unlock the screen, adding an extra layer of security. Activating unknown sources allows the user to install applications that do not come from the Play Store. Please note that activating this may increase the vulnerability of the device. You can enable this feature for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or indefinitely. Screen pinning keeps the current screen in view until you unpin it. To activate screen pinning, toggle the button to on. You can also require that a pin must be entered before unpinning the screen, preventing other users from unpinning. To pin a screen, tap the square on the bottom left of the phone to bring up all open windows. Tap on the window you wish to pin to bring it to the front. Tap on the square on the bottom left of the phone again. Swipe up on the front window and tap the thumbtack. Now your screen is pinned. To unpin the screen, press and hold the home button, which is the circle in the middle at the bottom of your phone, and enter your PIN if it's required. Selecting space sharing allows you to share data between spaces through the Spaces Sharing app. Contact sharing allows the user to read contacts from other spaces on the device. And selecting lock spaces on entry specifies if all other users should be locked when entering this space. From the Space Settings screen, you can also modify app-level settings and permissions. App-level settings allow you to control which apps are in particular spaces and to manage the permissions for each application. To access the app settings, tap on the Apps tab at the top of the screen. You will see a list of all apps installed in the current space. You can individually manage the permissions of each application by tapping on the app. This will display a list of app permissions for you to enable or disable. Please note, denying certain permissions central to the functionality of the app may cause the app to malfunction. You can add and remove apps from the space by tapping on the three-dotted icon in the lower right-hand corner. Clicking on the plus button will display a list with available apps from other spaces that can be installed in this space. Select the apps you wish to install and tap on the check icon. In the same way, apps can be removed by tapping the minus icon. Select the apps you wish to remove, and tap the check icon. This concludes the Space and App Settings training video. Please contact our customer support team at support@silentcircle.com if you have questions or need additional assistance.